Ready, start. This appeal filed by the state of Kerala is against an order dated 21st December 2020 passed by the High Court of Kerala granting bail to the respondent accused of a heinous and shocking murder of a lady doctor aged about 30 years. It is the case of the prosecution that on 20th September 2020 at about 3:30 pm, the respondent accused stabbed the victim with a knife inside a multi-specialist dental clinic run by the victim at Kutenur. The victim succumbed to her injuries at Jubilee Mission Hospital on 4th October 2020. As per the case of the prosecution, the victim met the respondent accused after her divorce from the erstwhile husband. The victim and the respondent accused became close and started living together from 2018 onwards. The victim became pregnant, but the respondent accused forced her to undergo an abortion by threatening her. The deceased victim had, as per the case of the prosecution, started the multi specialty dental clinic with financial support from her father. The respondent accused misappropriated money from the clinic and also harassed the victim both physically and mentally. In the circumstances, the victim was constrained to separate from respondent accused and start living at her own house. As the respondent accused continued to threaten the victim had, along with her father, filed a complaint with the city police commissioner Trisar on 26th September 2020. The victim was called to the Ulur police station for a statement and thereafter to her dental clinic on 28th September 2020 at 3:30 pm. The respondent accused stabbed the victim with a knife on the right side of the stomach in the presence of her father at the dental clinic. An FIR was lodged at the Ulur police station, Thrissur, on 20th September 2020 under sections 341, 324 and 307 of the Indian Penal Code within bracket IPC bracket close pursuant to which crime number 1777 of 2020 of Ulur police station was started. However, after the death of the victim, section 302 was added and an inclusion report to that effect was filed in the jurisdictional court. The crime as stated above has been registered under sections 341, 324, 201, 212 and 307 of the IPC. The respondent accused was arrested on 6th October 2020. A bail application filed by the respondent accused in the Sessions Court was dismissed with the following findings. In view of the settled position as laid down by the Apex Court while considering an application for bail, the court has to exercise the discretion in jurisdiction with care and caution. Though at this stage elaborate examination of evidence and detailed reasoning touching the merit of the case is not required, but there is need to indicate in the order the reasons for the prima facie conclusion why bail is not granted. Prima facie satisfaction of the court in support of the charge alone is sufficient for the court to arrive at a conclusion as to whether the petitioner is entitled to get an order of bail. On consideration of the entire facts and circumstances, it is found that there are reasonable grounds to arrive at a conclusion that granting of bail to the petitioner would adversely affect the prosecution from adducing evidence in support of the charge, and hence the petitioner is found not entitled to get an order of release. Full stop. Over.